8-year-old boy killed in Kingston double murder. 15 homeless after gunmen set dwellings in Portmore Villa ablaze. 2 men shot dead, another injured in Mountain View. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police are probing a double murder and shooting in Burger Gully, Kingston East, Sunday night. Gunmen reportedly struck sometime after 10 p.m. when they opened fire at a house, hitting the occupants. Information reaching the news media is that a man and an 8-year-old boy were killed. The man has only been identified as Joel, while the child has been identified as DJ Dawes. A third person, a male, remains hospitalized. More details to come following further investigations. Over 15 persons, including women and children, were left homeless as a result of a fire believed to be the work of arsonists in Portmore Villa, Gregor Park, St. Catherine on Sunday. Sleuths from the Portmore Criminal Investigations Branch are reporting that about 5:30 a.m., the victims were awoken by several men, some of whom were armed with rifles and handguns. The hoodlums reportedly kicked open the doors to their dwellings and took away their cell phones. The gunmen then poured a substance believed to be gasoline before setting ablaze all 8 bedrooms. The assailants managed to escape. No injuries were reported by the police. The police and fire department were alerted, and on their arrival, 3 premises were seen engulfed in flames. Cooling down operations were conducted. The estimated damage has not yet been ascertained. 2 men were shot and injured by armed assailants in Mountain View, St. Andrew, while a third was left critically injured in a flare-up of violence in the volatile community. Police reports are that about 10 p.m. on Sunday, gunmen shot and injured 3 men at a residence on Mountain View Avenue. The victims were rushed to hospital, where 2 from the group succumbed, while a third has been hospitalized. The Corporate Communications Unit and the Police Information Arm has since confirmed the shooting.